Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this pretty cool flower design, but it's got a lot of leaks and a lot of problems, as you can see right there. Those three lines don't even meet. They're double lines. There's a lot of lines. This is, it's going to leak. You put a color in there and it leaks in that part. You put a color in there and it leaks in that part. So what we're going to do first, and I put a rectangle around it so I could get it to not leak outside. And I'm going to grab this shape tool, and by doing that it eliminates or highlights the nodes, but I'm going to select all the nodes. And then I'm going to open up the Docker join curves. And I've got it set pretty low because these are pretty close together. I'm going to hit apply. What that did, that closed a lot of the nodes, as you can see. But we've still got the double line, but it closed the majority of the nodes. So in this particular case, I would take the Smart Fill tool and just swipe through here. I'm pretty sure that whoever drew this wants these semi-connected. And just a few more. And then we'll try smart filling it, see what other leaks there are. I think I've got them all. So now take your smart fill tool and fill that in, and you can still see we have some leaks. And if we look right in the center, none of the lines are touching the circle. So in lieu of making all the lines meet the circle, let's just make the circle bigger. So I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart, and then grab the circle, holding down the Shift button. I'm just going to expand it out, and you can see the lines. Don't really have to delete them or cut them. Now let's see what it looks like. And voila, there you have it. You have no leaks. So what I would do in this case, and they might even, I don't know, they might want that. Because then you could have that part red, and you could go around the outside and have a different color and not have those parts, because you could go through there and cut the lines and make it all red, or just leave it like that. And then it's pretty cool because then you could go back and fill in the centers with different colors. And you could also do this by making one and then rotating it. A pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.